You gonna come back?
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Yeah. Did y'all have fun at Thunder Canyon?
Oh, we had a blast.
He likes me.
God bless you.
God bless.
You're a big turkey, all right. Hey guys, Thanksgiving is a time for reflection, and we'd like to reflect in this video on you, the RV Odd Squad, because without you, none of this would have been possible. If you've stayed here, you're probably in the video, and most importantly, stay till the end where John's gonna teach you how to gobble like a turkey.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Thank you for your love, your prayers, and your support throughout 2023. 2024 is gonna be an amazing year. I talk turkey, man.
God bless you.
As you can see behind me, incredible. This is the guy that come out to visit us and share about Mardi Gras. We spent 3 months with these crazy people. We had an absolute blast. It was the best time we had in our whole 3-year adventure. What's up, you guys? What'd you guys think of Thunder Canyon?
Oh my gosh, stunning,
Beautiful, isn't it?
stunning.
Gift
It
from
is
God.
What are you doing?
Look at it, we made a mess.
You made a mess! Yay! Decisions. What's this, Sage?
Muffin eggs.
They've been laying their eggs here instead of the nest. Silly chickens.
Naughty chicken.
They're not listening.
Fort Walton Beach, Florida, right next to Destin. Absolutely beautiful. To where are we going?
To
Disney World.
Disney World.
Grandparents for a day.
Is it good?
Ah, don't you bite me.
Did he bite you?
Come on, man. What do y'all think of Thunder Canyon?
Awesome.
What do you guys think of Thunder Canyon?
Awesome.
Beautiful.
Awesome.
Beautiful.
What do y'all think of Thunder Canyon?
It's amazing.
Amazing, beautiful place.
Hold it like that so it holds against there.
It's crazy.
That looks so
I
nuts.
told you it's gonna catch on the paint.
You're so smart.
And it splits it between the highs and the lows.
Is it pastor or minister?
Him, not me.
Pastor. Good, I got it right. Finally got to meet Janice. We got to get everybody in there.
Oh my goodness. How beautiful.
Did you guys have fun at Thunder Canyon?
Oh, we love Thunder Canyon.
Yeah, so we're gonna finish the hoop house. I had that effect on women.
Pictures don't do
They
it justice.
don't do it justice. What'd y'all think of Thunder Canyon?
Should be a state park.
Did y'all have fun at Thunder Canyon?
Yes.
All right, good. Everybody in there? Isn't it beautiful?
A Bostonian holding
So
an
what
I
time are
love
y'all
New York.
leaving today? Here we go.
My beans.
Loved
Yes, we did.
Wonderful.
Loved having y'all. What do y'all think of Thunder Canyon, Terry and Sonia?
Awesome. God is here.
Love it.
Awesome.
Had a blast.
America.
America!
A millimeter to the left. It's great watching other people work.
Magical things happen at Thunder Canyon Camp Gratitude, you guys.
That's right.
Come on out and visit us.
He's beautiful.
Of course, I got his parents.
Oh, yeah. This is how we're really getting the video.
Hang in there. For that. Peppers and onions. Salt and garlic.
Garlic.
What's for breakfast, Doug?
God, country, and pancakes.
America.
America.
Hey, baby.
And look at where our backdrop is. Insanity. So beautiful. And there's a little creek down right in front of us. Bird bath.
Beautiful, isn't it? You coming back?
Yes.
Did y'all have fun at Thunder Canyon?
Oh, we had a blast.
You gonna come back to Camp Gratitude?
Absolutely.
You coming back?
I'll be back.
All right, good. Did y'all have a fun time at Thunder Canyon?
Yes, we
You
did.
coming back?
Absolutely.
All right. You bringing us bees?
I'm bringing you bees.
All right. Y'all having a good time?
Yes.
You coming back?
Yes.
You coming back?
Absolutely.
Bringing the family?
Yep.
All right.
This is how we do a business meeting at Thunder Canyon. Any excuse to eat.
We loved having you here. Did you guys have fun at Thunder Canyon?
Wonderful time.
You coming back?
Absolutely.
Good, good, good. Will you come back?
Oh, you bet.
Absolutely.
You bet.
And we'll bring friends.
Cool.
Yes.
What do you think of Thunder Canyon on the 4th of July? America.
Yay, we're in Catarina.
Colorado, baby.
Never have enough time with y'all. House looks beautiful.
I'm glad we came.
It's been a couple of years since the fire, huh?
Yes.
Looks absolutely amazing in there. Life getting any better than getting a massage while you're driving home. Coming back?
Yeah,
Oh,
we'd
yeah.
like
You
to stay a
promise?
week.
Yep.
Absolutely.
So you're trying to repair this. She's laying her egg right there.
Great. Can you please help me?
Yep, I'm helping. Tape so heavy.
See the little silver thingy on top of the target? Aim there.
The little silver thingy.
It's a little round silver thing.
Oh, I've been aiming for the paper plate.
Oh, you have?
Yeah.
Oh, don't. Hit the metal.
Oh, okay.
What do y'all think of Thunder Canyon?
We love it.
Isn't it beautiful?
Beautiful.
Peaceful and quiet.
God's country, heaven on earth.
So you guys all have a great time at Thunder Canyon.
Yes. Yes. Thank you so much.
You guys like Thunder Canyon?
We love it.
You gonna come back?
Absolutely.
Love Thunder Canyon.
Isn't it beautiful? What do you think of Thunder Canyon? Is it a gift from God or what?
Yes.
You gonna come back?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, good.
No
Good, good,
pressure.
good. How y'all liking Thunder Canyon so far?
Oh, it is fantastic. It's a God place.
It's a gift from God, ain't it?
Refuge from God.
You coming back? Yeah. All right. Did y'all like Thunder Canyon?
Yes.
Yes.
Coming back?
Yeah.
Betcha.
All right, good. Can you see Liberty back there? There she is.
There she is.
Look at this.
They tend to be a little fatty in places.
So you've been here for a month at Thunder Canyon, Doc and Audrey. Have
Absolutely.
you had fun?
It's been fantastic.
fabulous.
One of the best stops we've ever had in the past 10 years of RVing.
It's my birthday.
Oh my God, look at the gifts. You plan on coming back?
Yes. Awesome.
How'd you like staying at Thunder Canyon?
Love
Didn't you love it? You coming back?
Beautiful.
Yep,
Absolutely.
But you have to run off to see a Bills game, right? What do you guys think of Thunder Canyon?
That's pretty awesome.
Isn't it awesome? You coming back?
Yeah, we're coming back.
Good. You gonna come back?
For sure.
You better. A little bit of paradise here.
I love it. This is a great place.
Wash your hands again. Remember, no licky.
What do you think, quality control?
Nope, this one's too loose. That one. That's why I'm here. Checking it out.
So y'all finally made it to Thunder Canyon, huh? You like it?
Yeah, I love it, man.
You gonna come back?
Oh, sure.
You're in the middle of the bamboo maze that we're gonna build.
Any excuse to get out the skid steer is a good day.
Mercedes' birthday present. 4 turkeys. Happy birthday to you, yeah! You like them?
I love them, thank you.
Happy birthday.
This is the best gift ever.
Now you have 5 turkeys.
And they're all named Humpty Dumpty.
They're all named Humpty Dumpty.
My husband didn't have a plan for my birthday, so he bought me turkeys.
Hey, let's talk before working.
They're gonna be very happy to get more space.
So here we go again.
I think this one is a boy because look at his little crown thing.
Oh yeah.
But check out what's really cool. 5 toes.
Oh wow, we got
And
a
look,
5-toer,
they have
huh?
fuzzy feet.
So we got another roo.
We got one more roux, but I think we got 2 girls.
I hope so, man.
Yeah.
Same thing, yep. Man, listen to these guys partying over here.
Yeah, I think they know it's for them.
Hey, this one right here, you guys, this one here needs to go over here.
Okay, well, take care of that.
He talks to me. I talk turkey, man.
Yeah, you're a big turkey, all right.
He likes me.
They're working. And John's making turkey sounds and you're just petting the chicken. Everyone's doing what they're best at.
All right, so all you guys got to do now is just slide the bottom 3/4 inch this way and you do this.
Slide your bottom 3/4 of an inch.
Here, you got to do the top and the bottom.
Holy cow.
Ready?
It's like 4 inches off.
So it's what, 48 down here? This is how you get where it needs to be. So it's got to come 3/4 this way. I told you. You don't need a tape measure when I'm hanging around.
Oh yeah, you're gonna hold it the entire time.
Stick it in there and pull the whole thing out.
Gotta cut here to.
5 hours later.
Let's put the roof on. You're going that way towards the turkeys. Baby, you're really helping.
I work out.
Right there. This way. Right there.
Hey guys.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. Come on, let's go. There's always one.
Oh my goodness. Hey guys. All right, which one of you is Tom? I just want to catch him cutting it with his knees. Remember what they say, babe. Measure once, cut twice. All right, now sit on the perch and test it. I'm sorry. As soon as one does it, the rest will go
Yeah,
up.
as soon as it happens once, it's all over. They'll sleep up there at night.
Yeah. Come on, girl, do it. Yes.
She's almost there.
Yes! Good job, Mama. You did it. It worked. Oh, this is fantastic.
Until it don't. God has blessed us so much in 2023 with the RV Odd Squad. Thank you to each and every one of you. 2024 is about giving all the glory to God and the work that He's done here at Thunder Canyon. So we're building God's house next. We hope you come join us, get involved, and hopefully we'll see you in 2024. God bless you all and thank you.
See you in the next video.